Hello from Slovenia again. I have a bunch of colors, mixed colors left, and I thought, okay, I will use this split cup with just 2 chambers, and because of that I decided that I will try to do kind of a kiss pour. If you remember a while ago, Olga Sobi from Smart Art Materials used to do a lot of those paint kisses with, you know, 2 cups, and most of the time there were bright colors in one cup and cold colors in the other one, so I will kind of do the same. I poured some of Naples yellow red light, and this is azo yellow middle, and this is I believe cadmium orange, and this is alizarian crimson, and this is bordeaux red, and I will do another layer of those in this chamber. I still don't know the right name, on this side of this split cup. Okay, and the yellow and the orange, and I will probably spin a little bit while I will pour. I don't know, because I tried this for the first time and I don't even know how this will look like when I will pour this on the canvas. So we will see and go with the flow. That's how it is with acrylic pouring, you know. Sometimes you just go with the flow. And here I have iridescent blue-green from Pebeo. Oops, doesn't matter. And Artist Loft metallic cobalt blue. I'm just layering my paints into the cup. And I have blue-green from Amsterdam. So I was more on the turquoisey kind of blue, and I will add some indigo blue, indigo hue, Amsterdam Expert Series, and permanent blue violet. Okay, and let's go once more with those colors, and then we will pour and see how this will look like. So I was just thinking, okay, maybe I can use some of those colors in my cups that I have mixed. I have them mixed for quite some time, and see what will happen. I think that this indigo is a little thicker than other ones, but kind of don't mind. Maybe it will even create some interesting things, because they are not the same consistency. I did thin them down with water a little bit, because paints, you know, thicken up while they are they sit for a while. So I will just wipe this a little bit off. Okie dokie. So let's see now what will happen. Kiss I only see two colors. See? Hope that the towel starts seeing some other colors too. So weird. Here they come, finally. Whoop. Okay, I have to say that I didn't expect this at all. It's totally different than what I was thinking of. Because at first just this violet and bordeaux red comes from the cup, so I thin down this real bad. I hope that I will not get those kind of cells out because I thin it so much. Just use that Naples yellow red light for flow extender. It will hopefully, no, it will, hopefully it will just serve for this paint to spread evenly, maybe. Okay, and I will torch it because I have a ton of air bubbles, and I can already see some reaction here with this, from this thin down Naples yellow, so we will see what will happen with this at all. I'm just thinking to rag this a little bit. I will start here in the middle and just go towards the sides. We normally don't start in the middle, so today I will. rack it a little more than normally because I want to see what will happen. I still think that I don't like this middle, so let's see. Okay. Stop. Almost get the cells into in this paint. I don't know which one is the one that wants to create cells. So weird. I kind of like this violet. Sorry for the glare. I will try to turn off the lights because of the glare. I hope that it will not be too dark. Kind of like that violet that stays there, so I don't know if I want to tilt it, but as I said, I'm not crazy about this middle at all. What if I try to go just once more towards the middle? And one baby spin. It messed up my middle, I think. Just try to kind of connect this in some shape that it will not be just so weird here. No, it's too much, probably. Not sure about the orange here, but I want to just get rid some of these parts here that I don't like. And I will lose the purple, but doesn't matter because I want to spread this a little out, more out. Okay, and I will leave it now like it is. Definitely with this just two of shade with split cup with just two chambers, you obviously can get this fire and ice kind of look, but I messed up this racking thing totally today, but that's how it is sometimes. But I hope that you got the impression about this, you know. Maybe I should go just where the separation was and kind of combine them together, but now I will just leave it because I will mess it up way more if I will continue with this. So here it is. I like this look here, but you see I messed up my middle with this racks, just too much racks, and I love those lines. I don't know, just totally messed up my middle, and I'm not sure if this is, you know, the best thing composition wise, but maybe I even like it more like this, because here I see kind of a leaves or something, and I don't know. Love the colors, and there are really some beautiful details in it, but I messed it up a little bit. But this is it for today. So tomorrow join me 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for my live. Still not sure if I will be alone or Marina will be with me, but definitely I will have live. So this is it for today. Have a nice Sunday and see you on the next one. Bye.